Hello and welcome to the Orr Family Farm. I'm Glenn Orr, the founder of the Orr Family Farm, and we hope you enjoy this short visit. We have all kinds of good things to eat. You get to taste the fudge before you buy. We have our beautiful wedding garden with all of its fountains. It makes for a lovely, lovely place to have a wedding. And it's very unique in that the only way you can get there is by riding the train. Other things that are available on the farm are the old-time photos, a cow that you can milk in the animal barn, different animals that you can pet. And another thing that we have that is so enjoyable is the pony rides for the children. A lot of birthday parties.
We wish you a happy time birthday. Say the skies are soaring so high.
And then we have the lovely jumping pillows, the pedal cars, and the hand cars. We have fishing. 6 and 8 pound basses have been caught in the hidden lake. And then another thing that both adults and children enjoy is the panning for rubies and sapphires and emeralds. And what a wonderful time that is. So we do hope that you enjoy your stay at the Orr Family Farm and come again and again. Thank you.